Hi guys, yesterday I put out a video showing you and telling you all about Vanguard's new updates to their website. But since then I've had some messages and some comments on that video saying that you checked your Vanguard and it hasn't changed at all and you're not seeing these new updates, this new website that I showed you. So that prompted me to go and have a look again at mine just to see why mine's different and yours isn't. So I had a little look and it seems that mine has now reverted back to the old format. So what's going on, Vanguard? I'm a little bit confused. It may be that Vanguard were doing some tests and, do have a new website format coming out soon, but weren't quite ready to go live. Maybe by mistake they put it out, or they were just having a little 15-minute test period, maybe looking for some errors in the coding. I don't know. But it seems that I actually found that window for some weird reason and got really excited. I wanted to show you guys as like a live reaction what has been updated. I thought I'd be the first to do it. Seems that I was a bit premature and I wasn't actually, it doesn't seem like I was onto something special because mine too has now gone back. But also some of you have commented in that video and not really acknowledged the fact that yours hasn't changed. So I have a question. If you use Vanguard, or even if you don't actually, and you're in the UK, go on to Vanguard and see if yours now looks like the new version, so what I showed in my video yesterday, or whether it looks exactly the same as it always has. And let me know in the comments because I'm quite interested to see, is this a change that some people are seeing and some people aren't? Or have I just seemed to have found something that is no longer happening? I'm not really sure. And you don't even need to have Vanguard to check this for me if you want to help out. Just literally go on their website and click View Funds, have a look, compare it to my video yesterday and let me know. So I just wanted to jump on and let you know because I seem to have got a bit excited, a bit premature, and sorry if I made any of you guys excited about the new changes that you now haven't been able to see. Maybe this is coming up in the future, I'm not sure, no idea. But anyway, that's all. Just wanted to quickly let you guys know that, and I'll be back very soon with a normal video.